As your innovative partner, we develop together with you solutions for your daily analytical challenges. And this innovation does not happen in a lab. It happens in the discussions we have with you. Right here at the show, we meet so many people, we have so many good discussions where we really need to see and understand where are your day-to-day challenges. Because only when we understand this, we can really make an impact on your daily operation. And this is exactly why on this year's show, we present our new instruments for the protein and nitrogen analysis, as well as our new customer portal. It's tailored directly to those needs that we understood out of the many discussions over the past years.
As Elementar, it is our mission to work closely together with our customers to solve real analytical challenges. And that's exactly what drove the development of our new Exceed Plus nitrogen and protein analyzers. We listened to the people who work with our instrument day by day in the lab and turned their experiences into real practical improvements. The result is Ready, Set, Analyze. Analyzers that reduce maintenance effort by around 60%, significantly lower cost per sample, and make daily lab work easier, safer, and much more reliable. With Exceed Plus, we deliver the well-known accuracy and precision while increasing throughput, simplifying the workflows, and making operation easier for every lab team.